Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Mini Drone versus the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera. Both of these drones offer unique features and functionalities, so let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. One of the most important aspects of a drone is its camera quality. The Mini Drone boasts a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that is manually adjustable up to 90 degrees. This allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos with ease. You can even enjoy a live video feed through the app and share your footage on social media. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera also features a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens. It provides a wider field of view, capturing breathtaking moments from a bird's-eye perspective. You can enjoy real-time panoramic views and easily share them using the RADCLO FPV app. When it comes to flying a drone, stability and control are crucial. The Mini Drone features altitude hold, which helps maintain a steady height during flight. This makes it perfect for beginners and kids. It also has multiple flight modes, including gravity sense mode and headless mode, providing a seamless flying experience. Meanwhile, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera also offers stable flight with its altitude hold function. It can hover at a certain altitude, allowing for easy control and high-quality footage. Additionally, it has various functions such as high-speed rotation, circle fly, and gesture control, catering to both beginners and skilled players. Battery life is another important factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Mini Drone comes with two rechargeable batteries, providing a total flight time of 18 to 21 minutes. It also includes a set of propeller guards and extra batteries for a longer flying experience. Similarly, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera comes with two 800 mAh batteries, offering a flight time of 22 minutes. It also comes with a carrying case, controller batteries, propeller guards, and spare fan blades. This package provides everything you need for an enjoyable flying experience. The Mini Drone is praised for its ease of use and camera quality, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera offers a wider field of view and additional flight functions, catering to both beginners and skilled players. After carefully comparing the Mini Drone and the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera, it's time to announce the winner. In terms of camera quality, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera takes the lead with its wider field of view. When it comes to flight stability and control, both drones perform admirably, but the RADCLO Mini Drone offers more flight functions. Lastly, in terms of battery life and accessories, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera wins with its longer flight time and comprehensive package. Overall, the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera emerges as the winner in this comparison. However, both drones have their own unique features, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. That's it for today's video. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart and happy shopping.